Hey there, health enthusiasts! Get ready to unlock the secret to conquering your food cravings and taking control of your health. Welcome to our channel. Do you find yourself constantly battling those irresistible food cravings that sabotage your progress? Well, today is the day you say goodbye to those cravings and hello to a healthier you. We're about to reveal powerful strategies and tips that will help you understand the science behind cravings and how to overcome them. Get ready to revolutionize your relationship with food. But wait, it's not just about willpower and deprivation. We'll show you how to satisfy your cravings in a healthier way and create habits that support your long-term success. Our team of experts has researched and compiled the most effective techniques to help you break free from the cycle of cravings and make sustainable, healthy choices. Prepare to be blown away as we dive into the psychology of cravings, the impact of nutrition on cravings, and practical strategies to outsmart them. Are you ready to take charge of your cravings, fuel your body with nourishing foods, and achieve your health goals? If so, hit that subscribe button and join our community of food craving conquerors. Get ready for an exciting journey as we unleash the power of healthy habits and conquer those food cravings once and for all. It's time to take control and transform your life. Thanks for watching. If you found this teaser intriguing, make sure to stay tuned for our upcoming video where we'll share the groundbreaking strategies to conquer your food cravings. Remember to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who are ready to say goodbye to cravings. Together, let's conquer our cravings and embrace a healthier lifestyle.